Hitachi's 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker, model C12 RSH2. Whether it's in the workshop or out on the job site, this powerful cutting machine combines strength and accuracy for even the most complicated miter and bevel cuts. The compact slide system allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. That's a big deal when you are working in tight areas or on a shallow bench. If it's accuracy you're looking for, the adjustable laser never misses its mark. You can easily set it to the left, right, or center of the blade. It's never been easier to get a precise cut the first time. The powerful 15-amp motor cuts through the toughest lumber with ease. These large sliding fences raise to 5 1/8 inches, which means you can finally cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding nested up against the fences. You get a 0 to 57 degree miter angle to the right and a 0 to 45 degree angle to the left. At the same time, you also get a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade while leaving the material in place. Positive stops and indications on the miter and bevel scale give you easy to read measurements and quick settings. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong tool life. A vertical handle with soft, vibration-reducing elastomer grip adds comfort and control. The included 60-tooth, 12-inch blade produces fine finish cuts. You also get a dust bag, vise assembly, 17mm box wrench, and Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Hitachi 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw is the perfect tool for making compound miter and bevel cuts with.
My name is Chris Marsden. I am the owner of Marsden Building and Remodeling. We are primarily residential remodelers. Do a little bit of new construction and some light commercial work. I bought my Capex after a long deliberation process. I've been kind of paying attention to the saw ever since it came out. I was really excited to see it, but the price was a difficult pill to swallow. Eventually we had a couple projects in a row. We needed to work in a confined space and keep things clean, and actually paying attention to the money that I was paying for cleanup, I went ahead and made the purchase. We've gone through probably 6 to 8 other miter saws. Far and away the biggest advantage, the best benefit of the Capex is the dust collection. I haven't seen anything like any other saw, despite whatever efforts we've made to rig something up or to try this accessory product. Nothing has come close. Local bakery asked us to change the facade of the display units that they have and their counter space into more of a rustic feel. They're only closed on Mondays, so we'd have basically Sunday evening we'd go in and we'd have Monday to work, and then we'd have to be out of there by, they start working at 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning. So we'd have to be in and out, and we don't have a chance to create a work area really. We have to keep things clean. They have to be able to open right away. So, everybody appreciated how clean we were able to work and how quickly we were able to get in and out. I'm always getting asked by my coworkers, can I leave my stuff set up here? Because they just don't want to go through the hassle of taking their whole system down into the truck and setting it up next day. I can be out of the back of my truck and set up in a matter of minutes, pretty much anywhere. I've been using Festool products probably for a little over 10 years now. The obvious craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the engineering that went in to the first tools that I bought, and it carries into